What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael Collins. You know who I am, but I don't know who you are. So hit like below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, give me some feedback. I don't know. Oh, and follow me on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at mcollinsmagic. Right there, at mcollinsmagic. Do it! Today is Wednesday, the 4th of December, and wow, we're 3 days away from the biggest competition, the biggest audition of my life, my career. I've been doing magic for 18 years now, and it's been one heck of a road. Let me tell you, it has changed my life completely. Magic has been the one thing I've always had. I'm going to keep practicing until the second I walk into that room to audition. But we're on the mental game right now. I've gone to the mental game. I've put the practicing away just a little bit, and now I'm just getting my mind right to go out there and show them that I have what it takes. This week has really been an eye-opener for me. I've gotten so many messages, calls, emails, everything from so many of you that support me, and I didn't even know you liked me. And you're sitting there watching all my videos and supporting me. I appreciate that so much. I've been talking to a lot of people, and they're saying they're nervous, and you can't be nervous. Life just goes by so fast. When an opportunity comes like this, you got to make that count. Nerves are acceptable. They're going to be there. You just have to, accept that you're nervous and translate them into greatness. Like magic, I just love it. I love magic so much. We're a bunch of dream chasers going out there, putting our name on the line, going on national TV, putting our name on the line, and saying this is my dream and I'm good at it. Watch. That takes a lot of nerve. So I respect every single one of you for trying out. God bless you all, and I'll catch you in Denver on the 7th, 3 days away. Take care.